How to install straight barge boards as external corner pieces. Our fibre cement barge boards can be used on both the roof and cladding of a structure. Using our barge boards on the exterior corners of structures is a tidy way to finish the external corner detail of the building when using fibre cement profiled sheets as cladding. Place the barge board onto the corner of the building. Ensure that the barge board is central and vertically aligned. The first fixing should be at the top and 100mm away from the edge of the barge board. Continue to fix the barge board using 750mm maximum fixing centres down the length. Fix the final fixing at the bottom of the barge board. Now that one side has been fixed into position, follow the same process on the other side of the barge board. The same installation method can be used when using a barge board as an internal corner piece. If the measurement from the ground to the eaves exceeds the length of the barge board, then multiple barge boards can be used. These must be overlapped by a minimum of 150mm.